Here we go. Dinner. So in the little billy can, we've got beetroots. Bubbling away. They ain't far from being done. There we go. And 4 chunky bits to it, so 3 bits. There was 4, but I've eaten 1 bit of cured pork out of a tin. And that's it for dinner. Potatoes and them bits. And Mitch has got
big pot.
Yeah, big pot full of noodles, mash. Is it jerky?
Yeah, jerky in there. Soup. Stock cubes.
No one goes without out in these expeditions. No. Good?
Oh yeah, definitely, mate.
Right, there you go. That's dinner. Nice little fire, just big enough for 2 people to cook on. Got the wood there to see the evening out. Perhaps a bit for tomorrow. And that's about it. Evening is drawing upon us, 'cause it's 10 to 9. And at least it hasn't rained again since that last shower when I filmed. It's all good. Definitely chilling down now. So here we go. Got my hoodie up. It is all good. Oh, come over here with me. Used that last night. Works very well. Got a little tea light in there. Got 6 of them for 25p out of Tesco's. That's good. I'm going to leave it there, and we get plenty of footage tomorrow. So you have a nice evening, everyone. I might get a chance, I'll do one later on, but we'll wait and see. So ciao for now, bye.